tailspin. We see it smoking at the top end, so there might have been some stuff coming out of that thing. So he's taking the first turn off. Dan Devine is out there taking a look at the track. Hey, this is Dan's baby. He says, "Don't mess with my track."
Still looking for a 44.
Go.